Welcome to Bike Zone Pro. Today, we are diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Subaru Outback. This rugged yet refined crossover has been a fan favorite for years, and the 2025 model brings some exciting updates. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a daily commuter, or someone who simply loves a capable vehicle, this review will cover everything you need to know about the latest Outback. So, let's get started. Exterior design and styling. The 2025 Subaru Outback continues to blend rugged off-road capability with modern design. At first glance, you'll notice a bolder front grille, redesigned LED headlights, and a more aggressive bumper. Subaru has enhanced the aerodynamics while maintaining the signature rugged appeal that Outback fans love. New color options have been introduced, including an eye-catching deep ocean blue and canyon red, making this SUV stand out on the road and the trails. Interior and comfort. Step inside, and you're greeted with a more refined and high-tech cabin. The 11.6-inch vertically oriented touchscreen remains the centerpiece, but now it features improved responsiveness and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Premium trims come with Nappa leather seats, heated and ventilated front seats, and a panoramic sunroof that brings in more natural light. The 2025 Outback also offers increased rear legroom, making long trips even more comfortable for passengers. Performance and engine options. Under the hood, the Outback offers two powertrain choices. The standard 2.5-liter Boxer engine delivers 182 horsepower, providing a balanced mix of efficiency and power. For those who crave more excitement, the 2.4-liter turbocharged Boxer engine pumps out 260 horsepower, giving you extra muscle for highway merges and off-road adventures. Both engines are paired with Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive, ensuring stability and grip on any terrain. Off-road capabilities. One of the standout features of the Outback is its off-road capability. With 8.7 inches of ground clearance and X-mode with hill descent control, this crossover is built for rough terrains. The wilderness trim goes even further, featuring 9.5 inches of ground clearance, all-terrain tires, and skid plates to handle extreme off-road conditions. Whether you're tackling muddy trails or snowy roads, the Outback proves its versatility. Safety and driver assistance. Safety has always been a priority for Subaru, and the 2025 Outback is no exception. It comes standard with Subaru's EyeSight driver assist technology, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and pre-collision braking. New for 2025 is an improved driver monitoring system, designed to detect drowsiness and distraction, keeping you and your passengers safer on the road. Technology and infotainment. Subaru has stepped up its game in the tech department. The new infotainment system is faster and more intuitive, featuring over-the-air updates and an enhanced voice recognition system. Higher trims also get a Harman Kardon premium sound system, providing crystal-clear audio for your favorite music and podcasts. Plus, with multiple USB-C ports and a wireless charging pad, staying connected on the go has never been easier. Fuel economy and price. Fuel efficiency remains strong with the 2025 Outback. The base engine achieves around 26 mpg in the city and 33 mpg on the highway, while the turbocharged version offers slightly lower numbers due to its added power. As for pricing, the 2025 Outback starts at around $30,000, with fully loaded models reaching $45,000 plus, depending on the trim and options selected. Final thoughts. The 2025 Subaru Outback continues to impress with its blend of rugged capability, modern technology, and top-tier safety features. Whether you're an adventurer looking for an off-road companion or a commuter wanting comfort and reliability, this SUV delivers on all fronts. With its refined design, powerful engine choices, and cutting-edge tech, the Outback remains one of the best choices in its class. What are your thoughts on the 2025 Subaru Outback? Would you consider buying one? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching Bike Zone Pro, and we'll see you in the next video.